Hi everyone! So I wanted to do a Halloween ATC card with you guys. So I kind of did some prep work here. I cut this at 2.5 by 3.5, and then my next layering piece was 2.25 by 3.25. And then my next piece was 2 by 3. And then I just kind of eyeballed a little swatch of fabric. I got this pack from Temu, and I think it's really nice quality stuff. It was really inexpensive, and it has, I think, like 5 different designs. So let's see, there's this tie-dye, some stripes. I love this one. You guys know I'm not like a pink girl, but the green and the orange and the yellow, like I love that. And this one too, I thought about using this one with just the little eyeballs. I probably should have used that one. And then the last little fabric in here was the one that I ended up using. So like I said, I just kind of eyeballed it. You can see it's like all cut, all crooked, because I was just eyeing it. So I also pulled out some Halloween stickers from Dollar Tree to use. Maybe I'll pull out some puffy, what is it, like foam dots too. Let me see. Okay, so I pulled out some like pop dots, my double-sided tape. I have both my glues here. This one's thicker, and then this one's more fine tip, so I don't know which one I'll need. So got both of those. I think we're pretty much set to go. So I am going to do my little layering piece here for my fabric. So just gonna go ahead and put some tape down here, and then we'll put the fabric on top. Hopefully this will stick. See, these are the times that I wish I knew how to sew. I keep telling my aunt I'm gonna go to her house and have her if I could talk, show me how to sew. God, that was a tongue twister. And I just have not gone over there yet. Okay, so I used my thicker tape and I pulled out my thinner one. I'm gonna put this one in the back of the card to kind of like hold down the fabric. I don't know how much extra room I'm gonna have. I could probably just cut some of that away. I'm wondering if I should pop this one up on like the foam dots. I think that might be really cute too. So we'll have to see as we go along. I'm really excited to be doing some Halloween projects with you guys. Halloween is my favorite time of year. I love Halloween. I love all the like scary spookiness of it. It's just totally my jam. I'm hoping that things are settling down a little bit here, that I'll have more free time. And I know you guys always ask how my dad's doing and everything, and he's doing a lot better. He's still on bed rest, but can't remember if I shared with you guys that he was cleared, you know, that he can like now go out to eat with us instead of just being in bed. But like we have to keep it to like, you know, no more than like an hour. So he's been really excited to get out of the house and get out of bed. Oh, that should be okay. I'm gonna cut just a little bit of the extra. That's why, like, for me, I'd rather cut too much than not enough, because then I can always just kind of trim it down like I'm doing right now. I mean, it's gonna be hidden behind, so I technically didn't have to cut any of the extra away, but we did. So there's that. I think this is gonna stick nicely, so that's really good. Let's put this here. I was swatching lipsticks earlier. Oh my god, I'm a mess. Let's see. Take this off. This is when it's good to have a pokey tool, because you can pull up that backing right there. So when I do my stuff, I roll it. I don't know if you guys could have seen that. So I just kind of roll my pieces over. That seems to be working well. Just roll that piece over there. Let's see, I cut too much and roll this one over. So only one piece is flapping around. So I'm just going to kind of like pull it up. So it's like that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and snip that off. So now it looks all nice and clean. I think I'm just going to do it to all of them just to make it all nice. So we don't have to worry about that like popping out anywhere. Okay, so there's our piece there. And get out all my other bases and everything. So here's our base. I'll just glue this down. So put some glue here. Try to center it the best that we can. I like using liquid glue for this part, so in case I do mess up and not get it straight, I got a little bit of time to like wiggle that around. And then I'm wondering if I want to put this on. I should have got like the strip of like foam tape that's inside, and I don't feel like running back inside anymore. Do I want to prop this one up or leave it flat? Oh no. Okay, for like my words, like I have to have it the right way. If I would have done it upside down, I would have drove myself crazy. Let's see. So I think I'll leave it flat. This one I am going to do both because it has fabric. So I'm going to do some of the glue tape here and some of the liquid. Okay. So let's put that down. You guys let me know if you guys want me to do more little videos like this with you guys. I get kind of stressed because I'm like, oh my gosh, I am taking too long. And I know my last video that I did, I asked you guys, and a lot of you said that it was fine that, you know, to take all the time I need. So let's do that there. Try to center this one also. There. And I feel like it's nice and thick. So even though this was, my black was only 65-pound cardstock, it's all nice, thick card now. Oh, I got glue on the back. It was on my finger. Now it's all nice and thick because we layered it up. So I like when I do my ATC cards that they're nice and thick and sturdy. So that's one way when that's all you have on hand. You know, if you only have a thinner cardstock, just go for it. Okay, now I need to figure out what do I want to use. I really like this skull. I really like this like crazy little witch hand with the candle. I don't know. Oh, I like the black cat over here too. Should we just keep it simple? Okay, this is what I love about when stickers come on a clear backing, because you could just do this. Oh, see? These kind of are see-through, so it kind of just blends in. So it depends on if that's the look you want to go for, or you could paint the back of these with a white, so stand out, and then glue it on there. So I might do that. Oh, I forgot I put skulls back there too. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like this, because this has like the purple spider web. I kind of like these better. It matches a little bit more. Because see, this one has like the purple tint to it already. Maybe I'll do this one. And then maybe like sit the cat on top of it. I think I'm going to do that. So we'll take this one. I want to add a little bit more glue because I don't know how well it's going to stick to the fabric. So I'm going to try to go like over the words and like over the skulls. So that way the glue shouldn't be able to be seen, but just in case, I'm going to try to hide it. So we'll put this one towards the bottom. Is that straight? I think so. And we'll put the little kitty. No, I don't like that. I want the little owl. I'm like, great, now that I glued it, I don't like any of it. Okay, we'll do the owl. Let's just stick with the original plan. Let's do the kitty and then we'll glue some of these like moth things down. So we'll do the little kitty on top. And oh, we got like a little viney thing. Do I want to put this like little viney thing? No. What about we'll just do the two little moths. So then we'll do that guy there, and then there was another little one. I'm gonna do the little guy on the other side. Put him there. I don't know, I kind of feel like maybe it needs some bling. Let's see. I have some sequins up here. Maybe we'll do the silver sequins. Okay, so I pulled out my little diamond dots. So let's see. I think I'm gonna do like a sequence right here. So put that down there. And then maybe we'll do I want to do two more here or over here? Do one there, one there. I don't know why when I do like these sequins, like I always put them in threes. Like I just have to have three. Oh, but then I put them all on the one side. Is that going to look funny? Hopefully not. Okay, so let me cover this glue because then I'm going to need my finer tip glue. And then do I want to put purple sequins or black? Maybe a purple. So let's put some more glue on each little rhinestone so it can hold. Oh, these are pretty. I should have used this one. I didn't even realize I had that in extra. Maybe we'll still add those. Let's see. Add a purple little gemmy to all of these. That's why I love doing diamond dots, because I can always pull these out. All the little like extra, like all of this is extra. Okay. So I got those. Don't really like it, so now we're gonna fix it. So I'm gonna add a bigger one. Oh yeah, I like that better. Okay, so do that one there. What should I do with this one? Should I stop on my head? I feel like if I keep adding more stuff, it's gonna get like too much. I feel like I need something like down over here too. Do I want to put like one of these down here? That's too big. Maybe I'll do just a little one. That way that little sequence down there is not alone. I'll just put like one of these. Uh-oh, it was upside down. Hopefully that will stay. Okay, I think I'm done before I go too crazy. So there's my little ATC card. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watch this with me, I'm sorry I take forever. I will learn to edit one day to make these a little bit shorter, but bye guys.